In this video, I want to explain how to troubleshoot a problem with rejected notes. If a merchant or cash loader is noticing an excessive number of rejects or an increase in the number of rejected notes, to solve this problem, we first need to know the reason that the rejects are occurring. To do this, enter the ATM operator menu using any valid password. From the main operator menu, go to Reports. In the Reports menu, go to Reject Analysis. This screen shows you the total number of notes that have been dispensed since the start date. Under that is the total number of rejected notes during that same time period. Then you can see how many notes were rejected for each of the specific causes: skewed notes, gap too close, long note, short note, and double detect. If this report has not been cleared in a long while, make a copy by pressing the print button and then clear the report. If this is an intermittent problem with rejected notes, it's a good idea to let the machine run for a while and accumulate new data to make sure that you're addressing the correct cause. Once some new transactions and rejects have occurred, the report will tell you exactly why. In this example, the problem seems to be coming from double detect. So it will also be important to get a physical count for the number of notes found in the reject bin. Double detect rejects are caused by two different sources. Either the double detect sensors aren't working properly and are causing good notes to reject, or the cassette is picking too many notes at once and they're being correctly rejected by the sensors. If the number of notes found in the reject bin is significantly higher than the number reported in this menu, then you should first check the cassette as a possible cause. If the number of notes is close to equal the amount shown, then the sensors or control board is more likely the cause. In addition to the reject analysis report, if your ATM has multiple cassettes, data from the journal record can show which cassette is causing trouble. Here I've gone to the journal menu and used the View Journal function to find a transaction that had rejects. This line will show a dispensed and rejected count for each cassette. You can use this to help determine if a specific cassette is causing the problem. If all the cassettes seem to be rejecting, then the cause is likely sensors. The other reject causes, like long note, short note, and gap too close, are most commonly caused by the sensor pairs located directly behind the cash cassette. As notes enter the belts, they're measured by these sensors. Often cleaning them will cure the problem. I'll link a video with tips of how to do this in the description. Otherwise, if you need to contact technical support for help with a dispenser that's having excessive rejects, having this information available will help us give you the best advice. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega support.